Imagine traversing solid ground, and all of a sudden the ground opens up beneath you. No caution, not a sound, just an infinite dark pit. There are locations all around the world where the water disappears into nothing, the ground collapses, or fire erupts directly from the earth. Skyscrapers could be swallowed by some of these holes because they are so deep. Others conceal lethal currents, poison gas, or unexplained phenomena. We are going inside the most terrifying holes on Earth today, and what's concealed within them. Number 8, the door to hell, a fire that comes from the earth. In the middle of the Karakum Desert in Turkmenistan, there is a massive crater that looks like the planet itself is burning. In 1971, Soviet scientists were drilling for natural gas when the ground beneath their equipment suddenly collapsed, opening a giant hole into an underground gas chamber. Thick clouds of poisonous methane began pouring into the air, threatening nearby villages. In a desperate attempt to stop it, the scientists set the hole on fire, expecting the gas to burn out in a few days. Instead, they accidentally created one of the most terrifying sights on Earth. More than 50 years later, the crater is still burning non-stop, with flames shooting up from deep underground day and night. The fire is being fueled by vast amounts of gas still trapped beneath the desert, proving that the Earth is full of hidden energy capable of turning solid ground into an endless inferno. Number 7, the blue hole, a perfect circle of death. From above, the blue hole in Egypt looks like a beautiful, peaceful circle of deep blue water surrounded by coral reefs. But what lies beneath the surface is one of the most dangerous places a human can enter. This hole drops straight down more than 400 feet, deeper than most skyscrapers are tall. Inside it is a narrow tunnel called the Arch, which many divers believe will lead them safely back to the open ocean. However, at such extreme depths, the pressure causes nitrogen to build up in the blood, affecting the brain and causing confusion, euphoria, and hallucinations. Divers become calm and careless, losing their sense of direction and depth. Many think they are swimming upward, when in reality they are sinking deeper into darkness. This is why so many victims are found with oxygen still left in their tanks. The hole did not take their air, it took their awareness. Number 6, the Well of Hell, a hole that poisoned the air. In the deserts of Yemen lies a massive pit known as the Well of Barhout, or the Well of Hell. For hundreds of years, people believed this hole was cursed and filled with evil spirits because animals that wandered too close would die, and a horrible smell drifted from its depths. When scientists finally explored it using modern equipment, they discovered that the hole is over 800 feet deep and filled with toxic gases such as hydrogen sulfide, which smells like rotten eggs and can knock a person unconscious within seconds. At the bottom, they found dead animals, snakes, and waterfalls flowing into black, unmapped caves. The air is so poisonous that even brief exposure can be deadly. This is not just a deep hole, it is a natural gas chamber that turns the Earth itself into a lethal trap. Number 5, China's giant sinkholes, lost worlds below the surface. In parts of China, the land is filled with enormous sinkholes so large that entire forests grow inside them. Some of these holes are more than 2,000 feet deep and wide enough to fit entire city blocks. At the bottom, sunlight barely reaches, creating a strange, isolated environment where plants and animals have evolved differently from anything on the surface. These giant pits are like hidden planets beneath our feet, proving that entire ecosystems can exist in places humans rarely see. Number 4, the Siberian explosion craters. When the Earth detonates. In the frozen tundra of Siberia, enormous holes have been appearing without warning. These craters are caused by methane gas trapped beneath layers of frozen ground called permafrost. As global temperatures rise, the ice melts, releasing gas that builds pressure underground. Eventually, the pressure becomes so strong that the ground explodes, blasting a huge hole into the Earth. Some of these craters are over 100 feet deep and hundreds of feet wide. This means that large areas of Siberia are sitting on top of underground gas bombs, and as the planet warms, these explosions may become more common. Number 3, the Dragon Hole, a lifeless abyss. The Dragon Hole in the South China Sea is the deepest underwater hole on Earth, reaching nearly 1,000 feet into the ocean floor. What makes it terrifying is that below about 300 feet, the water contains no oxygen at all. This creates a dead zone where nothing can survive: no fish, no plants, not even microscopic organisms. Anything that falls into this hole becomes trapped in the cold, dark water, preserved like something locked in a tomb. It is one of the most extreme and lifeless places on the planet, hidden beneath the waves. Number 2, the Great Blue Hole, a time capsule of Earth's history. Off the coast of Belize lies the Great Blue Hole, a massive underwater sinkhole formed during the last ice age when sea levels were much lower. What is now a flooded pit was once a dry cave system. As the ocean rose, the caves were swallowed by water, leaving behind giant stalactites and mineral layers that record thousands of years of climate and storm activity. Scientists have discovered that this hole contains evidence of ancient hurricanes and dramatic changes in Earth's climate. In this way, the hole is not just a natural wonder, it is a history book written in stone. Number 1, sinkholes that swallow the modern world. Across the world, massive sinkholes are opening beneath cities, roads, and homes. These holes form when underground water slowly dissolves rock, creating empty spaces beneath the surface. Over time, the ground above becomes too weak to support its own weight and suddenly collapses. Cars, buildings, and even people can disappear into the earth in seconds. One moment everything looks normal, and the next it's gone. These events prove that the ground beneath us is far more fragile than we realize. If this video made your stomach drop, make sure to like and subscribe for more insane mysteries and hidden dangers of our world. And comment below, which hole scared you the most?